Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be testing out the iPhone 12 Pro Max's audio in terms of the phone video vlogging sort of style. Perfect, got a plane coming overhead. So this is basically the audio that you hear just straight off the phone. And now I have got this dongle. So this is going to be like the audio jack lightning cable. And then I also got this cable from Rode. This one is the Rode TRS to TRRS adapter. And that basically converts your microphone for your cameras. So like this is the one I'm going to be using. This one is from Saramonic. I think this is the XM1. So this is basically only compatible with like DSLR sort of like cameras essentially, and basically this dongle is just going to convert that so that the smartphones can use it. But obviously because the iPhone doesn't have an audio jack, I have to use this lightning cable converter. Obviously Apple sells their own, but I got this one from Ugreen. Again, I'll have links down in the description box down below if you guys are interested, and they are not affiliate links. Okay, so now I've got the Saramonic plugged in. I'm currently holding it like that, essentially. Basically, the cable is quite long. I'd like to say maybe like 1 meter cable, or maybe less than that. So what I'm going to do is I'm basically going to use this blue tack and just use it to basically secure this on the back of the phone. And the beauty of this mic is it's somewhat directional. Now, I am aware that they sell this particular mic as well for smartphones, but I didn't want to pay another $60 to buy another mic when I had three different mics that I could use. Alright, now the mic is kind of like just dangling because I haven't secured it yet, but I also wanted to show you guys what the Rode Videomicro Go sounds like as well. So that's this one. It's got the dead cat wind protector thing on it as well, so let's move on to that. Okay, now this is the Rode Videomicro Go, and this is basically just like sort of like dangling on the bottom of the phone. But what most people do is they mount this on top of their phone. I'll give you guys a little photo example that I've seen other creators use and what brands use as well. I think there's one like by Shure, so very similar. But yeah, here's the audio for this particular microphone, and hopefully by demonstrating both of them you can kind of gauge which one is going to work best for you. And that is pretty much it from me. I will be trying to do a few more videos like this on the channel, sort of like techie sort of style. Again, this channel is basically going to be mainly focused on food, travel, lifestyle, sort of like recommendation type content. And that's pretty much it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.